Hello, this is Cedric Green, and today is August the 12th, Monday, 2024. And here's the time, as you can see. What I'm fixing to do right now, I'll put this out. I'm finna go ahead and put these, jump each two batteries for 24 volts. I got 18 with a total of 900 amp hours, as you can see. 900 plus 900 is 1800 amp hours. Y'all kind of notice on back the other video I mistakenly put 1600, supposed to be 1800 though, so to let y'all know. So I'm finna get ready to put these across each two of them for 24 volts, and then hook them all in parallel and have them going to two wires back up behind there and coming right here, the plus to this switch and the minus right here. They both come to this switch right here, so I can switch these on under my bench as well as with these in my battery box, as you can see. We're kind of right here on this side. I'm finna put this board right here. And then screw it in. So to keep the battery from sliding off, I'm gonna put one on the other end also, as you can see. I got to shape each one of these jumpers like this so I can have it doing like this over the battery instead of having it going like that. You know, it'd be much easier to connect and all that. Each one of these are horseshoes. I have 9 of these just shaped like that, and jump each two and then hook them for 24 volt in parallel to the main wires, as you can see, to go to the switch. Okay, I'm gonna use these wires to parallel each one of these two sets for 24 volts and have it going up, you know, to the switch. In order for me to shape this like this, I'm going to use the pliers and kind of clamp it while I'm holding it and bend it up. It's like I got these here, so I can kind of shape this around some kind of way so I can fit across these two terminals like so on each two batteries for 24 volts before I use my wire to connect them in parallel. I hope I have enough wire to do that and to run it to the switch. Before I do that, I'm about to probably take all these batteries back off of here and then kind of measure this piece of wood. I can attach one right here on this side and the other side, of course, to keep the battery from sliding off when I'm pushing them, pulling them from under there. You know, and the jerky move can make the battery slide off or something. You know, I don't want that. First, I got to start moving these off of here so I can do that. So let me start moving them. Do this. Put this like right here. For at least something for me to grab on to pull it out, you know. Alright, mark this so I can cut it. As you can see. Across. Let's do that. I have them both marked for the cut so I can go on each end, on this end and on the other end down there. And then we I maybe put some handles on it. I can just actually grab this and pull it out, you know, as you can see. It's gonna be on there like this. And it's gonna keep the battery from falling off each end of them. I'm pushing and pulling it from under my bench down. All right, let's start the cut. Let's cut them off. You can see. Let's do this. All right, they both are cut. Let's take them inside and let's attach them. All right, as you can see. I'm gonna put it like this. Also, put some screws in it. I got to make it where it can hold the batteries and keep them from sliding off both ends. And where I can catch it and pull it out. So let's begin with the screws and the drill. Alright, I got both ends attached though. Let's see the lip right there, so I can get the batteries from sliding off on both ends, even on that end also right there. Oh yeah, they both are attached. So let's slide on there, see, and test it out, you know. Let's see how far it goes back. Hopefully don't stick out too much on the front, you know. All right, let's slide it on there right now. See how she does. Oh yeah, she's sliding in there all the way to the wall. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Turn the vibe. Okay, let's slide it back up. Put the batteries back on it, and let's do our thing. And notice I can grab under here and pull it out on both sides, as you can see. This one turn the valve. All right. Let's load the batteries on there. Let's start the hookup. Put them back in the same fashion I had them, the same order. Let's do this, y'all. And notice they ain't gonna slide off. I got the lip right there. I can move and they sliding off. Oh, I got the batteries back in order that I had before in design. As you can see, I can grab this and pull it out and probably push it in. Probably use my feet though, 'cause it's so heavy. So let's see how she does, man. Do that. Push it in. Just like that, y'all. I can grab and pull it out. Even though it's heavy. All right, let's start hooking these jumpers to it and stuff. So let's begin. Let's put this on there since I already got this shape like I want it. As you can see. Up. Tight. first one set up right there. Start another one. Alright, let's check the voltages. Make sure this the right voltage from 2 in series. Here we go. 26.3 volts, as you can see. 26.3 volts. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's check another one for these two right here. Take the pliers and shape them first to make sure they are aligned, as you can see. And kind of take these and bend it up the same angle. The other one too, about the same. I can see it here. Kind of match them. I'll fix this a little better. Like it'll work. Connect them. The pliers. Let's tighten them up. Check the voltage again. And the voltage is 26.5 volts. That's some good voltage. So let's continue with the rest of the batteries and let's get it started. Alright, last but least, this in here. Got one of these, as you can see. Bend them to stop. This one too. It's hard, but try to get them even. Squeeze them together. Perfect fit. Just the pliers, tighten it. Tighten them up. Let's check the voltage. Let's see. Let's see that. 27.1 volt. Look at that. Cover them back for safety. You don't need nothing touching across them. You know, it's gonna be real bad short. Of course, these Leon orange phosphate batteries, they don't explode though, they just smoke and stuff. Better than them polymer and them NMC. Those are two batteries that explode, but these don't. They just smoke and stuff, you know. They're more safer, people say. So we are done. Connecting each two in series for 24 volts, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There they are. Everything is finished. Now it's time for the next step. All right. So let's push them all in. Easy does it. Look at that. With ease, with ease. Catch it right here, push and pull. That's what I'm talking about, everybody. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna hook these in parallel, all together, each two batteries in parallel, and send them out to the main switch, you know. And we got 1800 amp hours. That's what I'm talking about.